So this is why it's so important to make sure that when somebody gets into an auto accident, this is the exterior, this is the interior. So as you can see, if the shop wants to do a really good job, they're gonna make sure that they inspect the vehicle. You see how that's cracked right there? You see how this is bent right here? You see this one right here where it's bent on the bottom? So that's one of the things that we do here at All-Star Auto Body. We look for additional damages that were impacted by the collision, and we report it to the insurance company to make sure that your vehicle gets fixed 100%. That's why we give you lifetime warranty on all our repairs. AllStarAutoBody.biz. Get a free estimate today. We just don't stop, baby. Non-stop action, right, Joey? That's right, baby. 805-816-2680. Get your free estimate today. Let's go, baby. We just don't stop.